So we have here all the different procedures. So for the string output, this is for the string input. So we have here cursor position, and then also set up the scroll, the output of the character, which is an interrupt 10H. Okay, and of course the vowel test macro, which outputs if a given character is a vowel or not. So some kind of a Boolean application. So it's in a separate file named colored_try.inc or include file, which is, if you use the emulator, it goes to the inc or the include folder. Okay, so that's how it is. Again, out character, and then you have the vowel test.